Hi, I'm Jay. Welcome to Miniature Journey, and this is my miniature journey. Now, I started painting miniatures probably at the age of 11 or 12. I remember having a friend in school who did it, and he was great at them. And then I used to go past the Games Workshop shop, and the window was full of these beautifully painted models, which of course made me think, as a 12-year-old child, I can do that. So I spent a few weeks pestering my mum and my dad and my family, and then every occasion that came up, birthday and Christmas, they would buy me models and paints and things like that. And of course, I couldn't paint like it in the slightest, but I did do my best, and the time I spent doing it I thoroughly enjoyed, and I was very proud of the outcome because it was to the best of my ability. And I did that for a few years, and then life went on and I sort of phased out of it. And it's only in recent times, very recent, I started watching a YouTube channel called Draw with Jazzy. If you haven't checked it out, go and do it. He's very entertaining. And I was thoroughly enjoying that because I've always liked arty things. And then he started doing a second channel with some other people called Tabletop Time. And they started doing miniature paintings and things like that. And I was thoroughly enjoying it. And then at the same time, my dad was moving house. Now, my dad's like many dads out there. He doesn't throw anything away. Like, he keeps everything. So he turned up on my doorstep with these couple of boxes, and they were just full of my miniatures from when I was a kid. Some of them are painted, some of them are not, some of them need some tender loving care. But it was almost like watching those videos and then those models turning up at the same time was almost fate. So my question is, can someone like me with very limited knowledge and experience learn to paint like they do in the magazines, in the shop windows? We're going to find out.